How to create an account in Pokemon Go. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an account in Pokemon Go. First, open the Pokemon Go game on your mobile device. Next, select your date of birth and tap on Submit. You can choose to continue with Apple, Facebook, or Google for a quicker sign-up. Alternatively, you can select Pokemon Trainer Club to create a dedicated account. Now, tap on Create an Account. Then, select your country and region, followed by your date of birth, and tap on Continue. After that, enter your email address, check the required boxes to agree to the terms, and tap on Continue to complete the registration. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.